In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a USAA insurance card to UK records. To get started, go to the USAA website or open the USAA mobile app, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using your own secure device if possible, especially since you'll be accessing insurance details and personal policy information. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to review the documents connected to your account. From there, navigate to your auto insurance policy. You're looking for the section that contains your insurance documents or ID card. USAA allows you to view and download your insurance ID card directly from your account. So this is usually the main place to begin. Take a moment to confirm that you're opening the correct policy, especially if you have more than one vehicle listed. Next, update your vehicle information if you're moving to the UK or driving there. In particular, once you receive your UK license plate number, report it to USAA as soon as possible. You can usually do this through the website, through the mobile app, or by contacting customer service. This step is important because it helps keep your policy accurate and can help you avoid issues or penalties that may come from outdated vehicle information. Accuracy matters here, so double check the plate number before you submit it. If you're relocating to the UK, the next step may be transferring your existing auto policy to a UK overseas policy if that applies to your situation. To do that, contact USAA and let them know about your move. They can help you understand whether your current coverage needs to be adjusted and guide you through the transfer process. This is also how you can obtain a certificate of insurance for your UK policy, which is an important document for proving coverage. Once your policy is active and everything has been updated, download or print your proof of insurance. For UK policies, USAA may send a certificate of insurance by email, and that document serves as your proof of coverage. It's a good idea to save a digital copy somewhere easy to access, and if needed, keep a printed copy for your records as well. And that's it. By signing in, accessing your auto policy, updating your UK vehicle details, transferring to a UK policy if needed, and saving your proof of insurance, you can make sure your coverage information is ready for use in the UK.